What's up everyone, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Today we're going to be reviewing the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. This is going to be your foldable smartphone gimbal. Let's go ahead and open it up and let's see exactly what's inside of it.
Alright guys, so first thing first, I want to apologize for the voiceover. I recorded everything on audio on the camera, but unfortunately it was a windy day, so I figured I'd do a voiceover to make sure everyone can hear me good. So, cutting the plastic, you're going to get the box itself, and opening up top, you'll have the manuals and the warranty card. Then you'll have the gimbal folded up. If you undo the knob right there, you'll be able to unfold it and undo the access on it. First things first, I always put the tripod on just because it makes for a lot easier stability and setup. Then it also comes with a sling as well as your charger. So getting all that out of the way, it also has a plastic that you want to rip off on the phone mount, and yeah, get all that trash away. Whenever you're setting the gimbal up for your mobile device, you want to open up the camera, and in the manual you'll see two barcodes side by side. If you got an iPhone, you want to scan the one on the left. If you have an Android, you scan the one on the right. It'll open up your app store, and then you just download like you normally do, and you register your device through the FeiyuTech app. Once you get all that taken care of, you can go into setting up your gimbal, and you want to make sure Vlog Pocket on top of the phone mount is always on top, and you just slide in your phone. Once your phone is kind of in the holster, you just want to make sure the holster is kind of in the middle, and you got a center of gravity. It'll make using your gimbal a lot easier, and it won't put so much stress. And so once you have all that done, then you just want to hold on the power button, which is the button on the very top, and your gimbal will turn on, just like that. If you want to switch the axis or the tilt of your camera or your phone, you just double tap the top button and it'll switch from portrait to landscape. If you want to start a video, you just hold the second button, which is the button on the bottom. If you want to take a quick picture, you just tap this button on the bottom. So here I am, I'm just opening up the app, syncing the gimbal with the mobile app, and once I have all that done, then I'm basically ready to shoot. Okay everyone, so a couple of things that I kind of want to hit and make sure I touch on about the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket is going to be the size factor. Okay guys, this folds up into like 6 inches tops. It comes in a sling if you want to put it in your pocket, and it's very compact, it's very user friendly. Something that isn't is going to be a gimbal like this. This is the DJI Mobile, and it's a great gimbal, and it has some very cool features, but when it comes to compactability, it doesn't have. This is as small as it gets, and when you compare it to this, when it can fold up into that, that's a big deal. That's a big deal, especially when it comes to people that are looking for a gimbal that is very accessible as well as low profile and doesn't necessarily draw a lot of attention to it.
let's talk about a few other things real quick. The app that it comes with, the FeiyuTech app, it's a very well-rounded app, and I actually find it compatible with the DJI app. You're able to switch your frame rates, you're able to do motion tracking, and you're able to basically switch everything you need to switch when it comes to the camera from forward to backwards, or even where it comes to saving your files. It does it all, so the app really isn't a downfall for me like some of the other gimbals that I do own. So when it comes to FeiyuTech, I'm very happy to see that they actually put the time and effort into rounding this app out before they released it. So who is this gimbal for? If I had to say it easy, it's going to be for someone that wants to vlog their life or to document anything that they're doing on a day-to-day basis. If you're traveling, this is an easy gimbal to actually use and to store. You can put it in your pocket if you're a guy. If you're a girl, you might leave it in your purse. But it's, like I said, it's a great gimbal, and it's very compact. It's for the price range, I actually think it performs extremely well. And it also, like I said, comes with the ability to fold in half. Let's talk about the smoothness of it. So when using this gimbal, I actually found that the smoothness was compatible with the DJI mobile, and I didn't really have a lot of fight back or pushback, if you want to say, when it comes to doing slow turns or anything like that. The gimbal itself actually tracked very well on where I was kind of moving it. There are two different modes, and that's going to be pan follow as well as lock. So keep that in mind. If you want to go into lock, you're just going to double tap the power button. If you want to go into pan follow, it's just a single tap. So yeah, everyone, that's going to be my review on the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket Gimbal. If you're interested in picking one up or even just checking out a few more details about it, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments section, and if you would like to contribute to the channel, please consider subscribing. I post videos just like this once a week, and I was very happy and excited whenever I was able to snag that and to post a video on this. So, like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later.